Hello my friends, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. As you can see, the drawing shows our today's project plan, which we are gonna do the bands. Okay, so let's go what we can do. Okay, as you can see my friends, I am preparing the perfect punch and the die for a small length of work pieces. Okay, so it shows our bending angle, which it was 90 degree. Yeah, okay, so I'm checking the angle, it was correct, and we're gonna do the next one. Okay, as you can see, all of our these bends are 90 degree, the angle. Okay, yeah, you can see this. So we're gonna do the next one. Yes, our this bend is also 90 degree, as you can see. Yeah, exactly, it's 90 degree. The next one is also 90 degree the angle. Yeah, okay, let's go for the next. Yeah, both of them are as the same. Yeah, friends, it done. Looks our small project finished. Thanks for